while we're looking at tools, we're going to drop down here to form cutters and we're going to talk about user-defined tools quickly. So I'm just going to click that. And you can see there's a list of user-defined tools that are added inside of CamWorks by default. You do have the ability to draw a tool in SolidWorks and then import it in here and create a custom tool. And that can be, you know, if you do saws, you do special forming cutter, like let's say you have one specialty made to cut out a keyway and it has some weird funky shape. You can draw it in SolidWorks, revolve it around a center axis, put in your information in here, and then this little button right here allows you to open up that mill tool file, which is just a saved SolidWorks part as a mill tool, and then it imports it in and it actually uses it for visualization. It's a pretty powerful tool to be able to just draw up a custom shape that was created for you, drop it in, and then CamWorks will do all the automatic programming based off center point or edge of the part, understanding what it is that you drew. So just so everyone understands and get to see how that works, you just go to your user-defined tool, fill in your information, you click the little open icon, it imports the part, and then from there forward you have a custom mill tool. Okay, with our quick view of the tools, we're going to go ahead and hit the up button here. That takes us back to our point-to-point cutters. We'll hit the up button again. And that takes us back to our main area. Now, we're going to go ahead and go to maintenance. And maintenance allows us to link database, compact database, or import database. One of the advantages of this is, let's say you go through and you create the database how you want it, and you want to save it somewhere outside your computer. And then you bring in a new user and you want them to be able to access that database. You do have the ability to import a database, and then you can follow this information here. Because I have SolidWorks running, I can't run through it completely. But if you were to hit next here, you can tell it where the new database is and then location of your current database. And when you hit next, it automatically links those two together. You do have the ability in here to link them. So like, let's say you want to put the database in your network drive or in a PDM vault, and then you want everyone to be able to access the same one. That's what the linked database will do, is it'll actually allow you to have one central location for one main tech database, and then everybody else can use the same. Makes it easier than installing it on individual machines. We'll cancel that.